Alright everybody, welcome back. This is our 2014 Panini Prizm 3-box break. This is break number 9, brought to you by Guzman_15, and this is the recap. So during the recap we do have a few randoms. First off, we have these 3 cards. They're all the host city cards, so they will be randomed among all the teams. First up we have the Manus team card. So we will, one second here, put all the teams in the randomizer as you can see them. Greece, I ran all the way through Brazil. 3 times we have Mexico on top the first time. Second time South Korea, third and final. France, 3 times. 3 times France is on top. So they will get Manaus. Next up, we have the blue Belo Horizonte. This is out of 199. So next one is for that one. Let me put them back in here. All the teams are in there again. I ran through Brazil. We'll round them at 3 times. Good luck. 1 time, Uruguay. 2 times Honduras, third and final. France wins again. Wow. France 3 times. France. France is cleaning house. That's crazy they won. And finally we have the red Porto Alegre. This is out of 149. This is between all the teams. Again, we have them in there. I ran through Brazil. Good luck, everybody. 1 time Australia. 2 times England, sorry, third and final. Switzerland. 3 times Switzerland. Okay, next up we have our matchup cards. First on the board we have a red, white, and blue, Itu and Silva. So we'll random those 2 names 3 times. Whoever's on top receives the card. Itu, Silva. So, good luck to Ito and Silva. 1 time Ito on top, 2 times Ito, third and final. Silva 3 times. Silva 3 times. Next up we have Suarez and Rooney. Suarez and Rooney. Put them in. Alright, good luck to the 2 owners of these. Suarez and Rooney. 1 time Suarez. 2 times Rooney, third and final. Suarez 3 times. Next up we have Modric and Hernandez. Modric and Hernandez. Alright, Modric and Hernandez. There we go. 1 time Hernandez. 2 times Modric, third and final. Good luck. Hernandez 3 times. Next up we have the same 2 dudes. Red, white, and yellow, Modric and Hernandez. So, here we go. Modric and Hernandez again. 1 time Hernandez. 2 times Hernandez. Third and final, good luck. Modric 3 times. And the final random card of the break is Pirlo and Gerrard matchups. Pirlo and Gerrard. So, final random of the break. Perlo, and Gerard. Good luck. 1 time Perlo, 2 times Gerard, third and final. Perlo 3 times. So those will go to the respective ones they hit. As for the rest of the break, here we go. We had Guardians, Celeste, Etange, Kawashima, Red, White, and Blue, Casillas, Aerial Assault, Closey, Balotelli, Red, White, and Blue, Ronaldo, Netfinders, Van Persie, Mitroglou, Manzuic, Refractor, Dezico, Red, White, and Blue, Donovan, Dezico Netfinders, Red, White, and Yellow, and Red, White, and Yellow, Podolski. Team cards, Ghana, Brazil, Uruguay, move this down here, sorry, Portugal, Refractor, Chile, Red, White, and Yellow, Uruguay. World Cup stars, Pele, Hernandez, Marquez, Balotelli, Hazard, Gerard, Robin, Van Persie, Red, White, and Blue, Nani. Cup captains, Strootman, Yepes, Shirikov, Refractor, Silva, Inler, Purple, Drogba out of 99. Red, White, and Blue, Ignashevich, Red, White, and Yellow, Montari, Refractor, Vandervaart, Red, White, and Blue, Lugano, Red, White, and Blue, Ronaldo, Red, White, and Yellow, Ospina, Refractor, Vidal, Matuidi, Red, White, and Blue, Red, White, and Blue, Muslera, Refractor, Kagawa, Red, White, and Yellow, Postiga, Red, White, and Blue, Nekanon. We had a blue out of 199, Joe Hart, and 2 purples, Eduardo and Sergio Ramos, both on a 99. So congrats, and we'll see you guys at the next break. Thanks.